Most store-bought lotions just sit on the surface, but weathered skin needs a deeper kind of mending. If your skin feels tight or thirsty, no matter how much you moisturize, you're likely missing a protective barrier. Today, we're making the Alpine Rose Recovery Balm. This is a masterclass in botanical synergy designed to thaw out dry skin. Whether you're grabbing ingredients from your own apothecary, getting them from simplyearth.com, or using the curated supplies in our July Arctic Spa recipe box, the goal is the same: deep cellular hydration. To start, you'll need 1 tablespoon of rose petals and 3 tablespoons of almond oil. We're infusing these for a concentrated dose of vitamin C. If you're new to DIY, you don't need to buy a giant bag of petals. The July recipe box gives you the perfect starter size so you can test the recipe without the pantry clutter. First, we steep our petals in the oil for about 30 minutes. Once strained, we melt our 1.5 teaspoons of beeswax and 1.5 teaspoons of coconut oil. This creates a sophisticated shield that stops moisture from evaporating. When you stir in your essential oils, you'll notice the herbal spa finish of the clary sage coming through. The beauty of this project is that you can absolutely hunt down these oils individually, but for most of us, getting the July Arctic box delivered to your door is the best way to get these specific, high-quality ingredients in the right sizes without the bulk buy. Pour it into your tin and add a few petals on top for decoration before it sets. It has this incredible buttery glide. Peru balsam adds a warm vanilla-like soul to the scent. It's grounding, it's nourishing, and it feels like a quiet sanctuary for your skin. I can't wait to see your recovery balms. Tag your photos with hashtag #IMadeThis and from Simply Earth for a chance to win a $100 gift card to Simply Earth. I'll see you in the next video.